Coming out of Msxc, Kentucky, riding a Is your bike going to start? Are you sure? He said the pro hill is open. They do got a pro hill. You're probably going to need to do it. Hey, gotta make sure you start it. It's the most important thing. Shut him down. All right, Bowling Green, Kentucky, are you ready to go? Msxc racing! All right, that's pretty good. Let's do it one more time. Are you ready to go? Msxc racing! Row number one, your 65cc seniors. It is your turn to take on the Richardsville Rumble. Ten seconds. All right, your row number two, your 65cc juniors, featuring Miles Ramsey, Tivia Slow, Camden Smith, Lucas Hopper, Hillman Brady, Charlie Galloway, Jet Wood, Jitter, Brady Lee, I don't know where to go. I know the pro hill's in the back corner. Hey, you made it up. Good job.
Come on, Leland. Go around. Megan, don't go around.
She's slick.
Go around.
Go ahead, buddy. You all right? Huh? Have you been wrecking?
Yeah.
Good? Huh?
A lot of time.
You can just roll it.
Never more juice than that.
This hell's too freaking rude.
Can't do it that slow. Come on.